This here is a candle saltwater lamp. This is extremely unique and pretty darn cool if I say so myself. Let's open it up. I have some spare electrode plates. And this is the candle lamp itself. It has the plate on the bottom. We'll take a look at that in just a moment. Now, just looking at the instructions, it's a floating light that operates on salt water and air, no charging. Place it in the saltwater filled container or seawater. It will float automatically. The brightness of this is 80 lumens. With these plates, you should be able to get 140 to 180 hours of usage time. Now, the instructions are very, very easy to read. That's great. Taking a closer look, this produces 80 lumens of light. It's got one of those long tubes down the center. On the base are your consumable plates. Now to replace it, you simply unscrew it like so. Now I've got a couple of plates here to spare, so just think, up to about 180 hours of usage. So these will corrode. These are designed to corrode. These are like your batteries, if you like. And these are very, very cheap. Imagine having a stockpile of these. And to install it, we're simply putting it in. And that's it. Let's test it out, see what happens. And there you go. That's actually a really nice ambient light. You often think about ambient lighting like this in a restaurant up on a table, and you've got those little tea light candles. Think about this now. We take it out of the water, it dies out, just a bit of salt water solution, and instant light. That's really nice, I like that. Let's test it in a more of a darker environment, shall we? That just creates a really nice atmosphere. It's not a bright, cool white, it's not a neutral white, but it's more of an amber color light that provides just that beautiful ambience. You know, if you like that kind of vibe, well, I'll tell you what, this is a great option. Doesn't require any fire, doesn't require any batteries. All you need is some water, and if you use those tea light candles, you're gonna probably put it into water anyway to float it. So add a teaspoon of salt, and then suddenly you've got a working candle light. And it floats. And look at this, light, romantic light at that.